Hello and welcome to our new video. In this session, we will be discussing the latest enhancements made to our booking and vehicle registration module. Imagine a customer calling your workshop to book an appointment for their vehicle. Instead of handling everything manually, searching through papers or wasting time collecting information repeatedly, the entire process can now be completed smoothly through Sianty. From the point of sale dashboard, all it takes is pressing Create New. And now, alongside job cards and estimates, you will also find the new booking option. The moment you open it, the system instantly gives you access to all vehicles already registered in your database. So if the customer has visited your workshop before, finding their vehicle becomes incredibly simple. You can search using the VIN number, plate number, phone number, or even the customer's name. Within seconds, the vehicle appears, and with one click on Create, the booking process begins. But let's say this is the first time customer. Instead of manually typing every vehicle detail, Sianty makes registration much smarter. Simply press Register Vehicle and registration form opens. Using your phone, you can either capture a photo of the VIN directly from the vehicle or upload an image from Mulkiyah. The system automatically reads the VIN, and once you press Decode, the vehicle details are filled. No lengthy paperwork, no repetitive data entry, just a faster and more professional experience for your team and your customers. You can also expand additional sections to include extra vehicle specifications or insurance information. Everything stays organized and connected in one place. Once the customer profile is selected and vehicle is saved, the system immediately takes you to the booking form. Now the real planning begins. You can enter reason for the visit, select the arrival date and time, and even assign specific technician or workshop bay before the customer arrives. This allows your workshop to stay prepared and organized throughout the day. You can also add notes, required services, parts or labor tasks related to the vehicle, and if there is a visible damage or any important detail image, you can upload the images directly into the booking as well. Once submitted, the booking becomes a part of a fully connected workflow designed to keep your operations smooth and efficient. And the experience doesn't stop here. For workshops, subscribe to My Sianty Portal feature. Customers gain access to their own digital experience. They can track their vehicle progress in real time, reviewing booking history, access invoices, monitor work orders, and even leave reviews, all from one convenient portal. At Sianty, every feature is designed to work together seamlessly. From the very first booking all the way to vehicle delivery, the goal is simple: to create a smarter, faster, and more professional garage experience for both workshops and customers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Sianty family. Until next time, ciao.